Carlos Edriel Poquiz Yulo, born February 16, 2000, is a Filipino artistic gymnast. He is the 2024 Olympic gold medalist at the floor exercise and vault events. He is the first Filipino and the first male Southeast Asian gymnast to medal at the World Artistic Gymnastics Championships with his floor exercise bronze medal finish in 2018, as well as the first Filipino and Southeast Asian to achieve a gold medal finish for the same criteria in 2019 at the same event. With multiple medals on the international stage, Yulo is the second person to win an Olympic gold medal for the Philippines and the first Southeast Asian athlete to win multiple gold medals at the Olympic Games. Yulo is a two-time Olympic champion, a three-time world champion, an 11-time Asian champion, and a 9-time SEA Games champion. He is noted for his short stature compared to other male gymnasts, his precision in form, and the difficulty of his routines, especially in the floor exercise, vault, and parallel bars. Yulo was born on February 16, 2000 to Mark Andrew Yulo, a travel agent liaison, and Angelica Yulo, a homemaker in Manila, Philippines. His maternal grandmother is Angelita Poquiz, and he lived along Leveriza Street, Malate. He is the second of 4 siblings. His older sister, Joriel, is a member of the National University Pep Squad, and his younger siblings, Carl Jarl, Ildrew, and Eliza Andriel, are also gymnasts. Yulo grew up watching Filipino gymnasts train and compete at the Rizal Memorial Sports Complex in Malate. Yulo started training for gymnastics when he was 7 years old, when his grandfather, Rodrigo Frisco, saw him tumbling at a local playground and brought him to the Gymnastics Association of the Philippines Gap for training. He would also train at the Club Gymnastica in Capitolio, Pasig in his early years. Yulo attended Aurora A. Quezon Elementary School in Malate, Manila for his primary education, where he was already training under AQES teacher coach Ezra Canlis for the Philippine National Games as part of the National Capital Region's gymnastics team. Through the support of the GAP, he was able to attend Edmson University in Ermita for his secondary education. In 2016, Yulo accepted an offer by the Japan Olympic Association to train in Japan under a scholarship program. After moving to Japan, Yulo continued his education at Takeo University in Itabashi, Tokyo, and graduated in 2022 with an associated degree in literature. personal life, Yulo and his girlfriend Chloe Angela San Jose, a content creator, student from Melbourne, Australia, began their long-distance relationship in 2020. They were initially limited in interacting through their phones due to the COVID-19 pandemic before eventually started seeing each other in person. Yulo is estranged from his mother, Angelica, whom he has accused of misappropriating his funds. Both parties also acknowledge San Jose to be a reason for the strained relationship. The relationship came to wider public attention shortly after Yulo's first gold medal win at the 2024 Summer Olympics. The family feud persisted in the public consciousness at least up to September 2024, when Yulo said he had moved on from issues which are too personal to keep publicly commenting on. In October 2024, Yulo joined the Philippine Navy as a reservist with the rank of Petty Officer First Class. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.